Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanja, and this is Humbly Yours. Today, I'm going to do a budget with me. I do get paid today, but I wanted to put these numbers down before I get paid and get out here and start spending money. Plus, I have to go to work. So, today is February 12th, and we're going to start with my income, which is my paycheck. Okay, I expected $778.15, and I actually received $78.15. Now, right here, on Wednesdays, I have $100 directly deposited to my check the week that I get paid. So I already had $100 deposited to my checking account, and I spent, out of that 100, I spent $65.31, which is going to leave me with $34.69. So I'm going to put that right here, $34.69. I had a rollover of 86 cents, and that totals out to be $703.70. So basically, everything that I'm going to be writing is just going to be estimates of what I'm going to pay. So I have gas. I'm budgeting $68.32 for my half of that. Electric, my half is $44.35. I do have a personal loan that I'm trying, another one that I'm trying to pay off. If you guys watched my previous video, I did pay off one already, so now I have another one that I'm trying to pay off. So I'm budgeting $150 for that first payment. I have my Google for data, or storage I should say. That's $2.12. Okay, I have to pay back Cash App. That's $60. And then there's the water bill. I can't really remember, but I think my half is like $42. I have an account with stamps.com, and that's $19.99. And I plan on making a payment on my dish bill of $100, and that total is $426.78. Then we're going to move down here to my cash envelopes. I just only plan on depositing something into my grandkids' envelopes. So for Tay, I'm budgeting $12. For August, I'm going to budget $6. And for Egypt, I'm budgeting $1. So I know that that is $19. And then over in my sinking funds, oh, well, actually, I got this backwards. Shoot. Okay, let me get rid of this stuff and restart. My cash envelopes, this is what this section is for. Fuel, I'm budgeting $60. For grocery, I'm budgeting $100. And then for miscellaneous, I'm going to budget $80. And that's a total of $240. Now, the sinking funds. I'm going to, let's see, Tay, it's a zero balance right now. I'm going to add 12. August, she has a zero balance as well. I'm going to add 6. And Egypt, 0. I'm going to budget $1. And that equals $19. And how I came up with these numbers, I'm putting it in how old they are. So Tay is 12, August is 6, and Egypt is $1. And then when their birthdays come, I'm going to give them whatever that total is that's in their envelopes for their birthday. And then I'll start it over when they, when their age change. So Tay, he'll be, for example, 13 in May. So what I'll do from that point on for in his envelope, I'll be putting $13 on, and so on for the others, because all of their birthdays are in the summertime. So as an estimate, and I'm going to write in pencil because this may change, except for the income. That's not changing. 703.70. And in pencil, I'm going to write down my estimate for expenses. 426.78. My cash envelopes, 240. And for sinking funds, I'm writing 19. Let's see here. Which should leave me a balance of $17.92. This, however, may change, but I'm just going to go with this for now. And yeah, and then I'll come back and show my results at a later time. But also, I'm hoping to increase my income because I started selling Avon, so I'll let you guys know how that goes next month. I'm not going to worry about it this month. I'm going to wait till next month and see how that goes. And also, if you notice, my paychecks have decreased, but that's only because I have now invested into my 401k. So every time I get paid, $40 come out of my paycheck and it goes towards my 401k, and they match me for that. So let's just say I do have some money, but it's in my 401k, and of course, I mean, I could touch it if I want to, but I'm not going to bother it at all. But yes, thank you guys so much for joining me and tuning in. This is my budget for paycheck number 1 of February. And if you like this video, please hit subscribe. And if you would like to continue to, let me restart. If you like this video, hit like. If you'd like to subscribe, hit the subscribe button and then ring the bell one more time so that you can receive a notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day. Peace.